Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing and checking out a piece of furniture that I received from Chita Living. Now in particular, I've been looking for a recliner that's both comfortable and made of some good quality materials. It just so happens that while I was editing videos and also browsing other YouTube videos, I saw an ad for Chita Living and decided to reach out to see what they have. Now, as I was browsing through their website, I did find a chair that I thought looked pretty good, and I decided to order it. So that's what we're going to be reviewing today. Now, included in this box that I'm sitting on is their Gentry Leather Power Swivel Glider Recliner, which in itself is a mouthful to say, but looks pretty contemporary and matched exactly what I was looking for. Now, according to their website, their advertisements, and even some of the reviews of their products that I saw online, the Chita brand is known for offering stylish and comfortable furniture options, which are accessible to everyone with selections in all budget ranges. And then based on the selections that I noticed on their website, Chita Living does have an assortment of modern designs ranging from farmhouse to contemporary designs, which is exactly what I was looking for. Anyways, stay tuned and we'll check out what's in this box and see what the recliner is all about. Okay, because this is an indoor piece of furniture, you might be asking why I'm in my garage for this unboxing, especially because it's been back-to-back days of 100-degree weather here in Texas, with today being no different. Now the main reason is because this box is a little bit bigger than I expected, and as you can see, it won't fit through my front door or my garage door. So I thought I would unbox it here in the garage and then take the pieces inside where it's a lot cooler and assemble it inside. So with that in mind, let's quickly unbox this so we can get back inside where it's cooler and assemble and check out this recliner. All right, so it's just your standard box. So it says not to use a box cutter, but I am going to use a box cutter to at least cut the tape out. I don't want to damage the furniture inside, but I do want to make sure that I do get the box open. Okay, so right off the bat, I gotta say it is nicely packaged. It's very cushioned. It's got a lot of wrapping to protect it from getting scratched or damaged. But I think I'm gonna cut this box open so I can easily access the chair inside and not have to lift it out of the box. Okay, so right off the bat, I will say the leather is pretty good quality leather. It doesn't get sticky or, feel cheap. And the chair does come disassembled, so you are going to have to assemble it. So piece by piece, I'm just gonna take this in. Okay, you do get assembly instructions, which are laminated, which is pretty nice. It includes the customer care contact numbers, as well as the warranty, which is a year of warranty. So the armrest is wooden with a leather cover on it, and it is real wood. It's got this aluminum metallic control on the side. So definitely high quality material, high quality craftsmanship. So we'll just continue to unbox this and take the pieces inside and assemble it. So see you inside. Okay, so now that we've unboxed and removed the chair components from the packaging, we're going to go ahead and put this thing together. And as you can see, we're now inside where it's a lot cooler than outside. What I like about this is that assembly requires no tools at all according to the instructions. So it should be fairly easy and straightforward. Now, there are two components to this. So there's the bottom half of the sofa and then there's the top recliner half of the sofa as well. So really only two parts to assemble. Now this was pretty heavy, so I did have to have someone help me carry this in. So if you're gonna buy this, make sure you do have someone helping you to carry this in because it is very heavy. And that just speaks to the quality of the build and the materials for this recliner. So basically installation should be fairly easy. It should be just taking this top piece and sliding the top half into the bars on the back half of this sofa. And as you can see from the inside, there are these little metal tracks with a little clip that should easily just clip into the back half of it. And then there's this little cable here that you should plug into the bottom portion, which I guess provides the upper half of the recliner power as well. So again, let's go ahead and slide this in. So you just line up the tracks with the part and then just slide it in. And then once you slide it in, you should just be able to drop it, and I think it does click, but I'm not hearing a click. So you just slide it onto the tracks themselves and then they'll lock in place. So as you can see, it's pretty much complete and in place. And then once you've got the top connected to the bottom, there should be a little cable in the back that you need to connect. One part being at the top and then one part being at the bottom. And I think the plug fits in only one way. And it looks like this thing was bent while in shipping, but hopefully when I plug it in, it'll bend back into place. So you just clip these two together and then clip it together. There's a little clip that mounts it together. And once that cable is connected, you just drop this little cover down, and it should stick to the back using the Velcro that's built onto the back of this leather chair. I guess you'll want to leave this out a little bit, but that's it. So assembly, again, very simple. And then if you'll notice, there is also a plug, which you're going to want to make sure you plug into the outlet because this is a powered chair. So there is a control for both the headrest, which I believe are the front ones, and then the legs itself, the reclining feature, which is the back buttons, and then a USB port right here as well. So go ahead and plug this thing in, and that will allow you to recline and adjust the headset as well as adjust the chair itself. And now that this is all set up and plugged in, let's see how comfortable it is. Super comfortable and very supportive. The chair itself is very soft, very cushiony, very plump. It's like laying on a cloud. Okay, so it looks like I was wrong. The front buttons control the reclining feature. And then the back buttons control the head. So as you can see, if I turn to the side, the neck does recline and adjust positions as well. It's very smooth in motion, very quiet. I wonder if you can recline up to 180 degrees. So this is probably as far back as you can recline. So as you can see, it is very comfortable, very relaxing, and does have a number of different positions that you can adjust to, whether it's in your neck position or just the reclining position itself. Now from a materials and function standpoint, this chair is about 31 inches by 37 inches by 41 inches and weighs approximately about 109 pounds, which is a lot, especially if you're trying to move this thing around by yourself. Now, according to the specifications, this chair can comfortably seat people who are about 5'10" to about 6'10" and weigh up to about 300 pounds, at least according to the specifications. Now, can it seat someone who's heavier or taller? It probably can, just because, this is, again, a very durable feeling product. So you can probably seat someone who's taller and heavier, given that the build quality seems pretty exceptional. Now, as you can see, I did choose the light gray color for my chair, but it does come in a number of different other colors which you can choose from and customize when you are ordering your chair. In addition to that, the chair is made up of a mixture of genuine leather and microfiber. And although it's not 100% leather, it does feel amazing and very high quality. It also does have this additional espresso wood accent to it, which is built into the arms, which also does give the chair an additional style to it. Now beneath it, this chair also has a black swivel base that does allow you to rotate the chair 270 degrees. And uniquely for this chair specifically, it's also got a built-in USB port so that you can charge your gear and electronics. The chair also has a classic design with a wider frame that allows you to shift a little bit and sit comfortably. And then, like I mentioned previously, the chair is powered and has this power adjustable headrest at the back, as well as a power adjustable reclining feature. And then of course I did mention that I do like the controls on the side, which do have this nice little gunmetal look to it, but looks super high quality. Now, aside from the ability for this chair to recline, what I do like best of all is that this chair employs a swaying motion rather than your standard rocking motion, which is something that I love and appreciate about these well-designed chairs. Now, when you are fully reclined, the chair does lock into place and the swaying capability does stop. So when you fully recline like this, or even when you start to recline, you can no longer sway or rock in this chair. So that's also something that's pretty nice and something that I guess went into consideration of the design itself. Now, when it comes to the quality of the material is thick and has a double layered backrest. So you feel absolutely nothing but the soft material and comfort. So I can't feel the inside components at all, and all I feel is this nice cushion behind my back and on my neck and head. Now, according to the specs, this chair does incorporate a Leggett and Platt internal mechanism, which is something that I wasn't familiar with previously. But what I learned when I went online and researched a little bit is that they are well known and best for their engineering, design, and quality of internal mechanisms when it comes to furniture. So that speaks a lot to the design and the build quality of this chair and probably all of Chita Living's furniture. So going back to the reclining function, you saw how far back I could recline on this chair. Although not a total of 180 degrees so you could lay flat, it does allow you to recline between 110 and 135 degrees. So I think it's good enough where you can be comfortable but not completely laid flat. Now, moving on to pricing. This chair retails for about $799 on Chita Living's website, which I feel is a great price compared to similar chairs that I've bought in the past from local brick and mortar furniture stores. Not only is it reasonably priced, but based on my initial usage throughout filming this video, I feel you also get amazing quality both internally and externally, from the build quality all the way down to the components themselves. And what I also noticed is that Chita seems to have regular promotions on their website. So you may be able to get an additional discount on your order, sometimes up to $500 off when you do your purchase. So I'd keep an eye out for that. This style chair isn't right for you. They've got a huge selection of other chairs and furniture that you can choose from. And best of all, they do free shipping. Now, if you want to buy this chair for yourself or check out any other furniture that Chita Living offers, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description section below. But overall, I gotta say that I am very impressed with this chair. Not only is it comfortable, but the build quality is top-notch. The chair is feature-rich, it's got a lot of functionality, and it just looks very clean and nice, all the way down to even the stitching. The stitching itself and the material is very high quality, and the design is just very clean. I think overall, from a design, material, and build quality, Chita is living up to, what they said they would deliver. And overall, based on my initial impression and usage of this recliner, it's something that I would highly recommend. I can't imagine any of their other furniture being any different. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, assembly, and review of this recliner from Chita Living. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Please also make sure you ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Now, if you want one of these for yourself, I will leave a link to it as well as Chita's homepage in the description section below. Until next time, see ya.